Hello students. See, we are discussing class 12th related determinants. Our exercise 4.4 of NCERT, class 12th. See, question third. Here it is. Find the value of the determinant of this 538 in first row, second 201 and third row 123 by using cofactors of second row elements. Means we have to find the cofactors of the second row elements and then find the determinant. How can we find this? Let us see. In solution, first of all, we have to find C11. C11, that is cofactor of C21, sorry. Second row, C21. Cofactor of what it is? This 2. 2, 1 means this. Second row elements they have told. So cofactor of 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. See here it is 2 plus 1. C21 means minus 1 row raised to the power 2 plus 1. Second row and first column is eliminated. Second row, first column is eliminated. 3823. So it is 3823. So minus 1 raised to the power 3 it is. So it will be minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, which is odd number. So it is plus minus 1. Now 3 into 3 means 9. Minus 2 into 8 means 16. So it will be equal to minus 1 into minus 7. That is equal to 7. Now C22. It is cofactor of C22. Which element? C22 means this 0. Cofactor of 0. That is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2. This row and this column will be eliminated. 2, 2. Second row and second column will be eliminated. 5813. 5813. That is equal to, it is positive 1 because 2 plus 2 is 4. Even number is there in power. That's why it is positive 1. 5 3s are 15. Minus 8 1s are 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So 1 into 7. That is equal to 7 only. Now C23. C23 means cofactor of what? Cofactor of which cofactor we have to find? 2, 3 means cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1. That is equal to second row and third column is eliminated. 5, 3, 1, 2 are the elements. So minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 and then elements will be 2 and then 3 means 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3 and 1, 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 because here it is 2 plus 3 which is 5. So minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1 and in bracket 5 2s are 10 minus 3 1s are 3. 10 minus 3. Minus 1 into 7 that is also equal to minus 7. Now see, determinant is equal to A21 C21 plus A22 C22 plus A23 C23. What is A21? See here. A21 is equal to what? This 2. This is element. A22 means what? It is 0. And A23, that is 1. A21, A22 and A23 value we know. And C21, C22, C23 we have determined here. So it will be determinant is equal to A21 means 2. 2 into 7 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into minus 7. So it will be equal to, determinant will be equal to 14 plus 0 minus 7. So determinant will be equal to 7. This is the way to find out the determinant by using second row cofactors. There it is mentioned which row cofactors should be used. Second row cofactors, second row elements cofactors will be used. So C21 means it is A21, A22 and A23. This A21, A22 and A23. Second row first element, second row second element, and second row third element, that is 201. And these cofactors are required, and this is the formula for determining the determinant. So this question is now over. Now see exercise 4.4, fourth question. It is find the value of the determinant of this delta. It is equal to, it is for determinant, this sign. Delta is equal to 1x yz, 1y zx, 1z xy by using cofactors of third column elements. यहाँ पर हमको third column elements के cofactors use करना है. So in solution we have to find first of all A31. What it is A31? You know A31? Sorry, A13, third column element, means here it is 3 everywhere. A13, A23 and A33. So A13 means first row third column, that is YZ, and A23 means second row third column, it is ZX, and then A33 third row third column is XY. So now C13 means cofactor, that is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. 1 3 means first row third column, so it is 1y 1z, 1y and 1z. Now minus 1 raised to the power 4, which is even number, so it will be 1 only, and here it is 1 into z means z minus y. Now C23 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. 2 3 means second row third column, that is now remaining elements are 1x 1z, 1x 1z. So it will be minus 1 into z minus x. Now C33, it will be minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3, and then third row third column means 1x 1y, 1x and 1y. Now it will become positive 1 because minus 1 raised to the power even number. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is even number. Now it is 1 into y minus 1 into x. So y minus x. Now determinant. Determinant is equal to A13 C13, A13 C13 plus A23 C23, and then plus A33 C33, A33 and C33. So it will be equal to A13 means YZ, YZ into Z minus Y. It is minus this one because there it is minus, or you may change the sign inside. It will become x minus z. See, this minus into plus means minus z, and minus into minus plus x. So you may write plus x minus z. So it will be plus A23 value is what? A23 is zx. So zx into x minus z. Now plus A33. A33 is xy. xy into what it is? Y minus x. Now we can multiply it inside. So now delta is equal to, or determinant is equal to, we can say yz into z is yz square. Yz square. Yz into minus y means minus y square z. minus y square z. Now zx into x means plus zx square plus zx square. Zx into minus z means minus z square x, minus z square x. And after that xy into y is plus xy square plus into minus is minus, xy into x is x square y minus x square y. Arranging power of x, arranging power of x in descending order. Descending order, what it will become? See, now it will become delta is equal to, see, first of all x square term, so zx square minus x square y. What we are arranging? Arranging power of x in descending order. Power of x is greatest, power is 2 of x, so zx square minus x square y. Now power of x is 1 will be selected, so minus z square x plus xy square. See what we have done? Means terms related to x. Now terms related to without x, that is plus yz square minus y square z plus yz square minus y square z. Now what we can take common from here? We can take x square common from here, so it will become z minus y. Now minus, what we can take common from here? X we can take common, so minus x is taken common, that's why it is z square minus y square. Z square, this positive sign will become negative because minus into minus is only plus, so z square minus y square plus, here we can take yz common, so that's why it will become z minus y, because here power of z is 2, so 1 z is remaining, and here power of y is 2, that's why y is remaining. Now what we can take common afterwards? First of all we have to apply here formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus b, so delta is equal to x square z minus y minus x into z plus y z minus y, and then plus yz into z minus y. Now we can take z minus y common, so delta or determinant is equal to z minus y is taken common. What are the remaining terms? X square is remaining term here, minus x into z plus y, and after that last term is plus yz, and then bracket closed. Now it will become z minus y, and then we can multiply this x inside, so it will become x square minus xz minus xy plus yz. So we may write delta is equal to z minus y. Now x is taken common, so it will become x minus z. See, x is taken common, so here power is 2, so x minus z, because x is taken common from both the terms, minus, now y is taken common, so it will be x minus z, and bracket closed. So this delta will become what? We can write upwards. See, now delta will be equal to z minus y. X minus z is taken common from both the terms, so x minus z, and then x minus y are the remaining terms. So write it in cyclic order. What is cyclic order? This is cyclic order. X, y and z means like this. So x minus y minus z, and z minus x first of all we have to write. So x minus y is x minus y only. But if we are writing z minus y as y minus z, then this will become negative, because z minus y is written as y minus z. So minus sign is taken common. Now z minus x. So if we are writing z minus x, then again minus sign is taken common. So that minus and this minus will become plus. So this is only the final answer for the question. And now exercise 4.4 is completed. One only objective type of question is remaining. And thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible.